as I am without one plea. But now thy blood was shed for me, and thou bidst me call to thee. O Lamb of God, I come, just as I am, waiting not to rid one soul of one dark blot, to thee whose cleansing blood just seen, O Lamb of God.